Hello and welcome to Retro Cars Reborn. I'm Lee and this is a 1984 Ford Capri 2-litre laser in which I am now going to start tidying up its bodywork. Look at this, look at this, look at this, holes everywhere. We need to sort this out. Now that the MX-5 is out of the garage and I can actually use it, I brought the Capri in for a bit of TLC. I want to get round to sorting out all this rust that's appearing across the bottom from its daily use. All this rust that's now coming through on the arches. And the bottom quarters or pockets, look, they were painted. I put those in not long ago. You can just literally just see where it's a little bit off there, but I wasn't trying to do an amazing job. Again, across the back, look, so nice and rusty coming through. So I'm just going to take the rear bumper off and rub all this down and see what kind of damage we're dealing with here. I don't know how much the camera's going to pick up, but yeah, rusty, 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 look. You can see overspray from where I sprayed it last time. There you go, you see all the red underneath the paint, because it was just a quick job. As I say, this car had 7 months worth of welding. When I say 7 months worth of welding, it was the quickest welded car I've ever done. Nothing was done nice, it was all just welded up as fast as possible. But yeah, I'm kind of digging the non-bumper look at the minute. Exhaust sticks are a little bit too far for my liking. If I was gonna keep no bumper, but yeah, you'd have to fill all these holes where the bumper brackets go through. You have to fill all these. But I think it looked pretty cool. There are things I've got planned for this car in the future, near future anyway. We will see about keeping this bumper off. What other people think? No bumper or bumper? Let me know in the comments below. Right, let's get rid of some of this paint and see what we've got underneath. This is the back panel so far. Now I knew that was there. What I didn't know, you see this, all these little, one there, next one, next one, next one, next one, where there's little spot welds running across the top. Means it's already had a rear balance put on it, and I would never have known because they've done a good job of hiding those little spot welds. But yeah, some little tiny pinholes. All these other holes here when it had somebody decided to put a tow bar on it. Very nice. That's going to be the biggest issue. But yeah, let's keep cracking on. Oh yeah! Got myself a little sticker. Whoop. So, have a look down here. We can just see the panel, this piece here, up until there, look. That's the panel I welded in. You can just see, it just doesn't match at this bottom piece here. That's the panel I welded in 2 years ago. It's still looking pretty decent. There's a little bit of rust coming through, but that's my major concern. What we're going to do with that. But yeah, it's getting there. By the way, this is definitely not a how to do this, because I'm definitely not a qualified paint or body person. I'm a mechanic and an MOT tester, so this for me is just a hobby, doing the paint and bodywork bits. So yeah, let's See what else we can unearth on this that I have not seen before. Wow. That's proper seized up. If you're going to do that, make sure the car is absolutely secure and not going to fall off. It shows you how long I've taken these wheels off. Yeah, a bit of corrosion on the maintenance surface is what's done it. So this is the panel that I welded in again 2 years ago. Just slapped some filler over the top of it. So now it's actually time to make it look decent. Right, I've got a little bit carried away because I didn't want to do the arches or anything, but yeah, it started going all the way around now. Thought might as well. In for a penny, in for a pound. And this being the Capri's original paintwork as well, there's no lacquer on it. I mean, it's shiny, there's no lacquer on it, but it just means it's easy to blend that back in. So let's continue and see what else we get onto. I've never been happy with this door. It just bulged out at the bottom because it's got rot in it. But I may end up taking these side strips off now and the decals, even though I didn't want to go that high up, but it might end up that way. We shall see. So basically now, from the fact that you can see all these bits of black paint and undercoat coming through, they're what tell you where your low spots are, and the fact that it won't sand that perfectly flat, and you can feel it as well. But I rushed this when it was done, literally for its MOT. So now I know where little bits that need filling, and anywhere that's gone super shiny metal like that is a high spot, so I know that's now higher than all of this. But you can feel it. It literally just bulges out when you move your car. Move your car when I move my hand across it. So yeah, so I know exactly where I need to fill and where it needs rubbing down more. So I'll continue that, and then we shall pick up. I'm just hoping this turns out to be as the best as I can get it. So the only advice I can really give you in dealing with filler is to just put the smallest, thinnest layer on you possibly can, because then you're not sanding tons and tons and tons off. And there is metal behind all of this. This is literally to smooth the panel work out, because obviously when I welded it in, it wasn't amazing. I'm not the world's best welder in the universe. I'm more the world's best grinder in the universe, because if you can grind, you can make any weld look nice. But yeah, so just put a nice thin layer on, let it dry, and then you can get back to making it nice and flat. If you go chucking loads on, you'll be here forever trying to remove it. But yeah. So I've managed to start to clean up this rust here in this bottom corner. And I also managed to get to where I originally welded this panel in. You just see it now. You see the square. But yeah, so after 2 years of driving around with a load of filler slapped on top of it, it's still totally solid, which is what you want. So I'll get into hiding that, but I think I'll leave that till the next episode. So on that, I think we'll leave it here. Yeah, again, look, showing signs of how low it is just there. And how high it is just in that bottom corner, and there as well, and how high it is there. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to see some more. Any comments, send to me and I'll try and reply to everybody. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I shall see you in the next one.